Hi, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and I'm here today to talk to you about how you can adjust your humidifier and heated tubing settings. Firstly, what the humidifier function does is it determines how much moisture is allowed into your heated tubing while you're asleep. The heated tubing function determines how much heat is allowed into the heated tubing while you're sleeping. To adjust these settings, press the home button on your Lunar G3 until your home screen is displayed. Rotate the dial knob on the front of the machine until settings on the end of the screen is highlighted. Push the dial knob in and this will open up the patient settings. Make sure the humidifier setting is highlighted. Once highlighted, push the knob button in and this will allow you to adjust the setting for the humidifier. We recommend selecting auto setting because this will allow the machine to adjust according to your needs automatically. But if you do want to adjust the humidifier manually, you can turn the dial knob and select a number between 1 and 5. 1 being the lowest amount of moisture and 5 being the highest amount of moisture. Once you've locked in your setting, push the dial knob in one more time and this will confirm the setting. This will also now allow the option to adjust your heated tubing to open up. Turn the dial knob once until heated tubing is selected. Push the dial knob in and from here you can turn the dial knob to adjust what your heated tubing function settings are between 1 and 5. 1 being the lowest amount of heat, 5 being the highest amount of heat. Once confirmed, push the dial knob in and this will lock the settings in. Once again, we do recommend that you have the auto settings on for both the heated tubing and the humidifier settings because this will again adjust the settings to your machine automatically based on your needs. Once everything's locked in, push the home button until you reach the home screen display. Thank you for watching our video today. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with our latest content. I hope this has been helpful. Have a great sleep.